Hello, it's me, Ayahuasca from Marijuana Garden.
Rogue planets or free-floating planets are fascinating celestial objects that wander the galaxy untethered to any star. Here's a structured breakdown of key details about them. Planets ejected from their original star systems due to gravitational interactions like, collisions or passing stars. Some may even form independently from collapsing gas clouds, similar to how stars are born. Microlensing, which is actually the most common method, happens when a rogue planet passes in front of a distant star. Its gravity bends and magnifies the star's light, revealing its presence. For example, Ogle 2016 BLG 1928 is an Earth-mass rogue planet that was detected via microlensing. Direct imaging is, pretty rare, but it's actually possible for young, still-warm rogue planets that emit infrared radiation. So, when we talk about rogue planets, some are rocky and Earth-like, others are gas giants similar to Jupiter. There are even sub-Earths, which are just, smaller than Earth. And interestingly, some of these planets might have icy or hybrid compositions. It's thought that there could be trillions of rogue planets in the Milky Way alone, maybe even outnumbering the planets that are bound to stars. They're common out in interstellar space, but honestly, they're really hard to detect because they don't have any starlight to help us spot them. So, here's the thing. Without sunlight, the surface temperatures would drop to nearly absolute zero. And honestly, there'd be no external energy source for life as we know it. But, there are still some intriguing possibilities. If there's geothermal heat, subsurface oceans could exist, kind of like what we see on Jupiter's moon Europa. Or maybe some planets have thick hydrogen atmospheres that trap heat. This has been theorized for certain gas giants. And microbial extremophiles might even survive near these internal heat sources. Ogle 2016 BLG 1928 is actually one of the smallest known rogue planets with a mass roughly similar to Earth's. SIMPS J013656663 plus 0933473 is a rogue brown dwarf, which means it's a pretty massive planet-like object floating freely through space. So, why do we study these mysterious objects? Well, they offer clues about how planetary systems form and how planets can get ejected. They might even give us insights into dark matter, especially if rogue planets actually contribute to the overall mass of our galaxy. And they could be future exploration targets, even though traveling to them is, for now, totally impractical. Would you like details on specific rogue planet discoveries, or maybe theories about where these wandering worlds actually come from?